At Fueled UTV, we love making our customers' UTV and side-by-side dreams come true. Sometimes that's insane builds that spare no expense. But sometimes that's taking a capable machine like this Kawasaki Teryx KRX and kitting it out with the ultimate communication and navigation setup available. Rugged radios and Garmin, a match made in off-roading heaven. All right, the install is done. We're here with Tanner, the service manager, and he's going to give us a tour of the Rugged Radio Complete Communication System and also the Garmin Tread 8-inch. All right, Tanner, so let's start with what the customer's goals were with this setup.
So this customer reached out to me. He spends a lot of time by himself or just him and his passenger, not necessarily in another vehicle.
Gotcha.
He was really concerned about having the ability to reach out in case something went wrong. He went with the Rugged Radio Complete intercom system here. M1, 55 watts, a lot of power, VHF, like I said, and waterproof. That's my favorite feature about that radio.
Definitely.
Went with the Garmin, so he's got GPS. He can track himself with a subscription. He can get the InReach function, so he can reach out. This guy's dialed. He's got multiple means of communication.
I know that this has a SOS button right on the side too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he can reach directly to Garmin, and then they can facilitate a rescue if need be.
Right.
Or he could just use the InReach feature to text somebody and say, hey, I need a tire or whatever the case may be.
Anything to highlight with the intercom system?
So he's went with the S&B particle separator to keep his air filters a little bit cleaner.
Gotcha.
With that being mounted there, it's a little bit increased cab noise.
Yes.
So his thought here is, hey, I'm gonna wear headsets. I don't care about that increased cab noise. This gives him the ability to hear communication if he is riding with somebody.
Yep.
And then he can listen to music and not have to listen to that S&B.
Yeah, it'll push to talk to other people, right?
Yeah, so push to talk is car-to-car communication. In-car communication is controlled by basically just this Vox knob, this inner knob here.
Right.
That's the how sensitive this mic is. That's all controlled by that knob, and you know, you kind of mess with that a little bit based on riding conditions, engine noise.
Any issues or thoughts on the installation here? So I see that we have obviously a custom mount for the KRX.
Rugged makes that specifically for the KRX.
Cool.
Pretty easy install, really. He elected to do these flush mount jack mounts behind the seats there. Keeps the stuff out of the way. You know, a lot of people just have the wires dangling by the seat belts. It works fine, but this customer elected to go a little nicer fit and finish there.
Nice. Well, thank you very much, Tanner. I think he's going to be very happy.
I think he will too.
Let us know what you think of this setup, and if you have any questions about it, in the comments below. And teaser for later, we have an insane overland rugged radio setup for another UTV plan, so subscribe for that video. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and I'll see you out on the trail.